I think it's really important for us to keep family photos of old events and things that we want to pass down to generations. Typically, most of us have photos like that from the old photo labs, which you can't find anymore. But now we're kind of moving into more of these digital photos, where they're all kind of printed out at once from places like Shutterfly or PhotoBucket. And then, of course, you have the photos that are stuck on your camera or stuck in the cloud somewhere. My wife takes pictures on her cell phone and it goes up to Google Drive, and I take pictures on my cell phone and it goes to OneDrive. So to solve this problem, we need to consolidate all of our photos and videos, and this is the international symbol for consolidate. So this application is going to pull down all the photos and videos from my wife's Google Drive, and it's going to pull down all the photos and videos from the OneDrive and consolidate or centralize them onto one network drive so we can have easy access and searchability. Searchability, is that a word? The application I'm going to make is called Vodo Consolidate, which is a pretty clever name because Vodo is photos and video in one word. Alright, I'm back at the lab and I'm using Visual Studio to write the Vodo Consolidation application. One reason is because I wanted to use C#. The other reason is because Visual Studio, I think, is one of the best editors around. So I wanted to show you something that I thought was really cool, and it's how you add animation in one of your applications. Visual Studio Blend makes this really easy to do and is kind of like editing a video. So for this example, all I wanted to do was change the color of Vodo Consolidate label. All I have to do is go 1 second in advanced, click on the color that I want it to change to, and then repeat it forever. And that is it. And as you can see, the Vodo Consolidate color will be animated. Another thing that I'm pretty happy about with this program is the bar graph. This will show you your upload speed average. I tried to make it similar to Microsoft's, but yeah, well, I tried. Alright, let's get into the application a little bit. This is the home screen, and it shows some data values of your consolidation progress. On the settings screen, you just have to select the directories that you want to consolidate. Next, you have to select the Google albums that you want to consolidate as well. To do this, I use the Picasa API. You may already know this, but Google has stopped Picasa. If you go to Picasa.com, this is all you'll see. So to select your Google albums, you first have to log in to Google. After logging in, next time you click this button, you'll see all of your Google albums, and you can select each one to download. The next thing you'll want to do is pick the consolidation directory. I'm putting all my photos into vodo.consolidate. Another cool option with this application is that it will actually move files off of your hard drive to save space. Most applications that I've seen like this only have a copy or sync option. Next, you can consolidate all your files or just consolidate the files that are older than a particular amount of days. And finally, the subfolders will either be today's date or the last write date, or basically when the picture was taken. The last setting page will tell you what media you want to consolidate. Basically, I selected everything here. After selecting Run, it goes back to the main page and gets started. I actually have not ran this program in a while, so it's going to find a lot of files that need to be pushed over and consolidated onto my network drive. So, 14 gigs later, I have all my photos and videos consolidated. This is what the Vodo Consolidate directory looks like. So another important reason why you might want to do this is for hacking. If someone hijacks your Google account or your Microsoft account, you could possibly lose all your pictures, and for me, that would be a really bad day. And this may happen actually more than you would think. Here's an article about 1 million Google accounts being compromised or hijacked. Google has their own tool that you can use to back up your Google photos. It is called Backup and Sync. OneDrive will also sync to your hard drive, but you have to be careful because the files aren't actually on your hard drive until you see the check mark. The other nice thing about this application is that it forces OneDrive to download all your files. The dialog box in the bottom right corner of the screen is OneDrive downloading the files. So please remember while you're out making those cute videos of your family to back up your photos and your videos. It doesn't have to be this application, but at least use something. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know any questions or comments below, and thanks for watching.